In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy on 1688 without an agent, 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to create your account, pay securely, ship to a China warehouse, and get your order to your country without using a middleman. Start by going to 1688.com, open it in Google Chrome, and enable Translate to English so the interface is easy to navigate. Click Register, then sign up using either your email or your mobile number, and complete the one-time password verification. Once your account is created, you're ready for payments. All payments on 1688 go through Alipay. The simplest route is Alipay International. Create an account there, verify your identity with a passport or national ID and a phone number, then link a credit or debit card. There is also a mainland Alipay option, but it's harder to verify and generally not recommended unless you have mainland China documents. After you're verified, use your Alipay login to access 1688 so checkout works smoothly. Because most sellers ship only within China, you'll need a freight forwarder with a warehouse in China. When you open your forwarding account, they'll give you a Chinese name, a China address, a phone number, and a warehouse or member code. You'll use this exact information later as your shipping address on 1688. Copy it carefully as provided, including Chinese characters, to avoid delivery issues. Now find products, type your keywords in the search bar, English works, and Chrome can translate listings. For better results, filter for factory, stores with at least 2 years on the platform, and high transaction volumes. Open a product page to check details and pricing. Before you buy, assess supplier credibility. Look for a visible business license, a gold supplier badge, strong repeat buyer metrics, and clear factory photos. Be cautious with shops that have 0 transactions or are very new. Chat with the supplier using the Wang Wang chat button. Ask about stock availability, minimum order quantity, customization options, and the domestic shipping fee to your forwarder's warehouse. Simple English often works, and auto translation helps keep things clear. Next, add your shipping address. Go to Account, then Address, and paste your forwarder's China address, matching the Chinese name and warehouse code exactly. Save and double-check every field. When you're ready, hit Buy Now, choose your quantity, and any color or size variations. Select Alipay at checkout and pay. The seller will ship to your forwarder's warehouse. Finally, your forwarder will notify you when the package arrives. Pay for international shipping and choose the method that suits your timeline and budget. Air is faster, sea is more economical. Then sit back and wait for delivery to your country.